Barack Silver. Yan ang bibigyan natin first impression sa video ito. Alright, so si Barack Silver, nabili natin siya sa marketplace and the price is more than 1,500 pesos. I think retail price nito is less than 2,000 pesos. So you just have to check on the different sellers kung gusto nyo mas mababang presyo sa Barack Silver. Pero recently, I've seen a lot na nagbebenta ng mga fuse sprays missing na less than 1,500 pesos. So you just have to search through the marketplace. Alright, so in terms of the packaging, kita nyo, ang ganda ng packaging ni Barack Silver. Of course, Fragrance World. Most of the perfumes that I have reviewed from them, ganda talaga ng packaging. Now, kita sa harapan, para siyang bakal. Malamig-lamig siya to the touch eh. So, I don't know what this is called. Pero, yun nga, malamig siya. Parang sigurong plastic. I think plastic siya. Or parang bakal na chrome, silver yung nasa harapan. Overall, ganda ng packaging as I mentioned. So, sa likod meron siyang ingredients and other details. Sa ilalim meron siyang batch code and ang inyong QR and barcode. Sa ibaba, meron siyang design ni Fragrance World. Now, si Barack Silver, of course, as you guys are aware of, is a dupe of your GFS. Okay? And sabi nga nila, ang GFS is pabango ng ating isa sa ating mga artista, si Joshua Garcia. So, kung gusto niyo magamoy Joshua Garcia, ito yung bilhin niyong pabango. Okay? GFS, I don't know what the price is, pero from the reviews na nakita natin online, medyo pricey rin siya. Now, itong si Barack Silver, ang kanyang main accords ay aromatic, fresh spicy, woody, musky, powdery, amber, and soft spicy. Now, in terms of the main notes of Barack Silver, we have your juniper, berry, coriander leaf, and middle notes of nutmeg. And then base notes of musk, amber, and vanilla. Now, in terms of the packaging or the bottle naman ni Barack Silver, ganun din siya. Parang siyang bakal talaga. Naintriga ako. Ano ba talaga to? Parang nga siyang plastic. Pero matigas eh. And cold to the touch. So, I'm assuming parang siyang made out of metal. And the bottle overall is white. Very classy, very elegant. And magandang display yung button to. Alright? May branding lang sa likod na Barack. I don't know which one is front and back kasi pareho siyang rectangle. And then meron nakalagay sa ilalim na Fragrance World branding. And sa ibabaw may branding din ni Fragrance World. And that's it. Sprayer is silver or chrome. And then ang kanyang atomizer sa loob ay white. Let's do a couple of sprays. Mahina yung kanyang buga. Okay. So, mapaparami ka ng spray siguro dito. Not sure if it's just me, pero yun nga. Mahina yung kanyang buga. Alright. Ito yung amoy good boy na pupunta sa church tuwing Sunday. And sometimes siguro pagka may mga fiesta, mga ganyan, ito, amoy good boy talaga to. Ito yung unang masasabi ko, parang mabait na lalaki and very pleasing, you know. And this is something na I think would get you a lot of compliments, itong pabangong to. Naamoy ko kagad dito yung fruity citrus na I think that's the juniper berry. I've been able to smell that note, pero I think yun. Parang siyang sampagita. Yung sampagita na ano ba yung isang bulaklak na kasama ng sampagita na binibenta sa simbahan. Yun yung naaamoy ko when I smell this. It's very refreshing, very nice for summer, I think. And of course, pag pupunta ka ng church or pupunta ka ng mga lunch or ng mga special events for your family and friends during the daytime, ito yung mga magandang perfume na pwede mong gamitin and very soothing and something that's going to be very memorable for people na makakaamoy nito. Okay? And sabi ko sa inyo, very pleasing and crowd friendly. Okay, so yun na muna ang ating first impression for Barack Silver. We'll go ahead and wear this in the office and I'll let you guys know in terms of how it performs. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to your comment. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!